What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. It's a beautiful day in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Today we're gonna be doing a walk around video of our 1972 F250 Highboy. When they first came out, the Highboys were 4x4, so that really designates that versus the lower trim levels that were just a 2x4. Let's take a look at this two-tone F250. It's running the 390 motor with the C4 automatic transmission. This truck's got 3 gas tanks. There's a switch inside. There's one on the passenger side here, one on the driver's side, as well as one in the back. And the switch controls all 3. She's a little thirsty with that 390 sitting high, so you're gonna have plenty of gas to get around. You got power disc brakes up front. You also got power steering. You're running 35-inch tires. Got plenty of clearance, no rubbing anywhere on the body when you're driving around. Beautiful grille up front, no dents, no dings in it anywhere. Chrome's looking great as well. This truck was fully gone through by the previous owner. There's a stack of receipts that we'll also check out when we're inside. Interior seat cover has been completely redone. This is that fuel switch right here. Tachometer's working, gauges are all working great. Fire's on first command, 4x4 shifters right in there in the middle, and you got 4-speed manual transmission. Moving on to the back, this is a long bed, which is what the Highboy was. Real proportional though in its stance. Love the bed liner back here. If you look real close, you really don't have any dents. Don't see any dents, definitely don't see any rust anywhere on the inside of the bed. Super clean. You got the middle window back there. Opens for a little bit of airflow if needed it. All steel, no plastic. That's what I like to see. Chrome looks great back here. Got a tow hitch right there in case you need to tow anything. Dual exhaust all the way back. Passenger side, same way. Here's a stack of receipts as well as a logbook with all the oil changes. Love to see stuff like that where the owner really takes care of the paperwork, wants to keep track of the things that he did to the truck, so that you keep it running great. Let's hop in the truck, guys. We're gonna fire it up, see how she sounds. Feel like I'm in the 70s again. Got a case of beer in the back, ready to fire it up with the buddies, head to the lake. Just smooth at idle. Like I said, fires up first key. Nice low grumble, you know it's there. Tachometer's working like it should. Gauges are all lighting up, working like they should. You got this aftermarket radio right here. Gotta have the jams. Wipers working like they should. Headlights up front. You got high beams, low beams, working exactly like they should. Just makes me want to get out and drive. So the 4-speed in this truck, first gear is the granny gear. So it's really low, made for going up hills. You need to pull something out the boat ramp right over there. This would be the truck for it. You can even start in second if you wanted to. Speedometer's working great, tachometer's working like it should. Got that butter smooth power steer, power brakes as well. We're in 3rd gear, 4th gear. Just a freaking sweet truck. This just takes me right back to 1972. Got a little bounce in the seat. Just driving a sweet truck. Grab a case of Coors Light. Meet up with Smokey and the Bandit. I don't know what'll happen next. It's gonna be good though. Brakes work great. Turn this dude around. Anyway, y'all, if you're looking for a truck that get the job done, could be a daily driver. They got 3 tanks on board, so you get 66 gallons of fuel in this truck. But we've had it in inventory a few days now, and I've driven it around a little bit. Just get compliments everywhere we go. If it works for you, give me a call. Now that is a freaking truck. Hope you enjoyed the walk around video, guys. I hope we were able to inform you a little bit about everything on the truck. We want you to know about it. Also want to remind you, we do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available with only 10% down. Gets your payment on this truck probably around $280 a month. That is cheap money for a cool truck like this. If we can earn your business, this is Josh, Drive the Coast. Give me a call. Thanks so much.